Well, first off, I've got to say I really love the term revenue leak. It reminds me in the retail world, they have a term called shrinkage. And so when inventory, they don't get enough turns and inventory goes out the door, their inventory shrink. It's the same thing, but in the sales capacity. So revenue leak is something that absolutely keeps me up at night and terrifies me. And the way in which you derive some of that is, you have your slipped deals, your renewals, your churning customers, or you're seeing downsells and downgrades, which certainly impact your net retention rates in the forthcoming years. You also just need a single source of truth. And so when you don't have that single source of truth, you have more apt to have that revenue leakage, if you will, or shrinkage within the revenue means. So being able to have something like Clari really allows me to limit some of those manual issues that we've come across before. So now I have a single source of truth. I have less propensity for deals slipping, which means that those deals aren't pushing out into outward quarters, so that my forecast accuracy becomes much more perfect, more accurate for that matter.